Top 6 tactics to improve Insta Stories engagement. Hi, I'm Alex from SM Marketing. You might remember me from other videos that you might have seen me in. Today we're going to talk about the top 6 methods to improve your engagement on Insta Stories. Instagram remains one of the top most effective platforms to market your business on. And humans are visual by nature. The reason you probably clicked on this video, isn't it? Because you like what you see? Thank you. They consume everything with their eyes before anything else.
Something.
And Instagram is a great site to take advantage of this innate thing that us humans have. Whilst its first and foremost use is for posting images and videos and photos, the inclusion of this feature, Insta Stories, has given marketers and businesses a new method to increase engagement and their follower count. Yet, not everyone is noticing as steep of an increase as others. To help ensure that you improve your Insta Stories engagement to its utmost potential, here are the top 6 tips. Number 1, using stickers and GIFs. GIFs. If you want to increase your engagement on Insta Stories, then you need to use all of the available tools on this platform. One of those features is stickers and GIFs. GIFs. These are fun gimmicks that actually let you engage with your audience. So you could ask a question for engagement, for more engagement, like you could open up a poll that says, "Will you marry me?" And someone could be like, "Yes." That's more engagement in more than one way. Based on the algorithm that this app uses, the more engagement you have for a single post, the higher you'll rank. And what does that mean, Alex? Oh, thanks for asking me, YouTube viewer. Higher rankings mean you're more likely to trend and accumulate more followers. There are various stickers from which to choose. So you got one that's a quiz sticker. We'll do a little quiz right now. So you'll see next to me, I'm making a quiz sticker now, probably just here. I think right here, there's a quiz sticker. And the quiz says, so watch how engaged you are when you're reading this. I'll leave a little silence, now look at it. Which one? How engaged were you? Now the quiz sticker is a great way to engage with your followers. It lets them share their opinions. And trust me, everyone has an opinion, don't they? Even you. And I want to hear your opinion. Write it below in the comments. Thank you very much. The question sticker is another great way to extend your reach. If you look here now, I'm going to put a question and watch how my reach extends. Good question. If you don't know how questions work yet, they work that you post a question and your followers answer the question. But you can then respond to your followers' answers either individually or as a collective. So that's actually pretty decent. Tip number 2, unleash creativity. Even though you're using Instagram for marketing strategy, you have to remember that it's a social media platform. So allow yourself to be creative. This might mean that you try out different fonts, a bit of different background music, or graphical stickers. It also means that you have to stay creative with your Instagram stories. If you're showing the same every day, people will understandably become bored. Tip number 3, stimulate private conversations. Another great way to get the algorithm working in your favor is by provoking your followers to message you privately. The DM, as they call it. And this option, the DM option, should always be available to your followers. Being able to speak with you directly can actually encourage your followers to establish loyalty within themselves towards your brand. Social media means that there is sharing between 2 or more individuals, doesn't it? You can't have social media with just yourself. That's insanity. For your marketing strategy to be successful, your followers need to feel that they're talking with an actual real person. Tip number 4, add prompts. Do you have a lot to say? Then make sure you add prompts to your stories. Otherwise, your followers may not actually realize that they can read everything that you've posted. Prompts can actually intrigue a follower or potential follower to stay on your profile just a little bit longer. Number 5, include screenshotable stories. Screenshotable story. Screenshotable. Oh, shottable, screenshotable stories. Shottable stories. Screenshotable stories. To keep the follower count on your Instagram profile increasing, you can actually encourage your followers to screenshot the posts that you make. One example might be creating a story contest. So first things first, in order to do this, you need to place an example version of what you want the stories to be like, and then encourage your followers to post similar stories about a similar experience or whatever, something that would provoke them to share a story like that. And then maybe the winner gets something from your brand, I don't know. If you're a sandwich shop, give them a bit of bread. Another option is to use the fill in the blank option. Not only does this encourage followers to participate, but if it's fun enough, they might even share it with their mates, mightn't they? So we'll give it a little go right now, right? So I'm gonna give you a little sentence and you're gonna fill in the blanks. You can comment them below actually if you want, as the YouTubers say, don't they? A adjective man verbed the adjective lady in the adjective noun because there were too many nouns in my adjective noun. Tip number 6, tell stories. If you want to reach people, you've got to tell them stories that they haven't heard yet. With so many profiles on Instagram, there's no time for monotony, so you got to stand out a little bit, haven't you? Be different and tell engaging stories that can help people out or just keep engagement really, innit? Again, we'll give it a go. Watch how engaged you are right now. Brian woke up sweating in his sheets. Oh, he said. What's happening? What is this? He walked into the bathroom and he looked at his hands and he saw they were pigeon wings. He looked up at the mirror. Oh God, he said. No, God, no. I'm a pigeon, he said. Then he remembered he'd always sort of been a pigeon, but look how dramatic that bit was. I just painted a brilliant story. I hope these tips helped you out. I'm sorry about the but I'm gonna say what all the YouTubers say in it, so remember to like, subscribe, comment, and if you've got any queries, visit theagency.io and contact us there and we'll get back with you with whatever. Probably won't be me getting in contact, so you won't have any pigeon stories, but some good person at the agency will do. I'm Alex. Cheers for watching. Thank you very much.